Hey folks, it's Kira. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you what kind of the second step in this experimental Tyvek piece is going to be. So in the last video 10, I did this Tyvek piece and it didn't quite end up how I expected it to. I thought it was going to be more waterproof. So we've got this transparency film and basically I'm just going to do a thin layer of alcohol on it, and then I'm going to go in with a couple of inks. So today we've got the DIY yellow ink that I made from a marker, some Pinata ink in pink, and we're also going to do the Brea Reese ink in cadmium yellow. And nice and easy, I'm just going to blow this around with the airbrush. I do want a lot of precision here, and I want to know exactly what direction I'm sending that ink in, and I'm just going to quickly dry it. We're going to go in with a little bit more alcohol, break up some of those areas and soften some of those lines, and just honestly keep spreading it with the airbrush until I'm happy with it. Yeah, it's pretty much the technique. Just keep playing until you're happy with it. Some more alcohol here, and I'm just letting it bloom to create different transparencies of color on the transparency film itself. That way we're going to see a lot of that texture of the Tyvek underneath it. Spoiler alert, the Tyvek's going underneath. And I'm just playing around here with the dotting tool, kind of like, I don't know, just like playing with the edges and moving some ink around. And then we'll wait for it to dry. It doesn't take that long. And yeah, hey, remember this? And there we go, right on top of it. I know there's a bit of a missed edge at the top, but honestly it's whatever. I'm going to be trimming this down to fit an 8x10 size instead of an 8.5x11. I'm just going to choose the best spot for it. And I'm just going to go in with some more alcohol to create just a little bit more transparency. And oh, Pinata ink and brass, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so nice, and it just behaves so well on the acetate. It's so beautiful. Man, like using it on canvas has made me underappreciate it. Anyways, I'm gonna blow that around. It's gonna look great. And yeah, I mean, it's just so beautiful. I love it. We're gonna slip that underneath to check out how our layers are going. And it's nice, but we're gonna do some finishing touches and alterations to it. So a little more alcohol in there just to bloom some areas. I just want to see a little bit more of that texture underneath. And that is that, folks. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and check out the next video.